Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still in this phase, you know, when I dipped two of these coasters and create this beautiful kind of tree. Trees or something. I just love this. So today I mixed all my paints just with American floetrol. See? And I will try to do it on canvas. This is 10 by 10 inch canvas, and I will pour some black. And because I don't want a lot of this black, because I will float down both canvases, so just basically I will cover my canvas with this, not pour as much background as we do if we, I don't know, do dips, reverse dips or something, just to make sure that you will have your canvas covered, kind of. I hope that this is not too little, because I didn't do this on canvas before. Maybe I will add a little more on this one. If you find this part boring or something, you can fast forward, but sometimes it doesn't matter how much, not sometimes, a lot of times, how you apply your kind of base. It's important part of a process too, so maybe some people will love to see that. That's why I will do this on camera, because it's easier for you that don't want to see this, that you just fast forward. Doesn't matter if it's not, you know, totally leveled or something, because we will dip this too. I will do edges later, just to make sure that I have enough paint. Let's see what will happen. So I will put this one aside, because I will apply my colors now. And what I'm thinking is to add other colors just here, and when I will pull those apart, I hope that I will get more of this tree shape. So I will probably add just a little more black here, because I will not pour any paint here, either any other colors here, and I want to make sure that I will not have blank canvas here on the bottom. So maybe a little more on the top. And I said all my colors are mixed with floetrol today. This is light olive green, so I will just add some paint in this part. Other colors, I have to say, this is metallic gold, and some Indian yellow, and reflex orange, and cardinal red, and I just forgot to add some of my cell activator here in between to maybe get some kind of, I don't know, lacing or something. I will add just a little more of this on the white, because I don't want pink, kind of pinkish color. So this is cardinal red, and carmine. I don't know, I just try to do some kind of fall colors. I will add a little more of this white, just to, okay, and now I will put my paints aside and place this on. I don't know if this will work, because you know, when you have these solid two coasters, wooden coasters or something, when you press, it's it's not flexible, so that's why maybe I will not get this tree effect at all. So I will just turn it around and try to press on this side. Let's put them. Okie dokie. And now the moment of truth. And you want to go slowly. So I think that it is quite interesting, but I would love to have this a little more, you know. Maybe I didn't have enough black, but it's still interesting. Maybe it should be that way, so I will just put a little black on the sides. And where I see that maybe I miss some, I will do the sides later, just here where I see some blank canvas, okay? But sides I will paint with black off camera, that this will not be too long. Okay, I will just drag this one down, because this one bothers me. And this one a little bit, I think. So I will just try to. And this I will just leave like it is. I have to do these parts because this is just my thing, but I kind of didn't like how the shape of those, so okay. And I think that now I'm happy with the composition and everything. And where is my torch? Here you are. Because I think that because I used floetrol, I probably will get some cells out too. I don't know, some of them appeared already, but I didn't use silicone, so I don't expect, and my torch died, a ton of cells, but still I think that this is quite beautiful, this diptych. I just see that you have a glare. Just a second. Oh. This will work better probably. Okay, this is our diptych, and I think that it looks quite nice. So next time if I would try this again, I would do probably on different shape of canvas, but still I think that this is pretty cool. If you want to do just kind of, I don't know, sideways flowers most look, I don't know, I didn't get this tree effect, but I kind of expected this because it's a different surface, so definitely on wood would create different shapes, I think. So, but I really like this painting. I do, this diptych. So this is it for today. Hope we learned something again, and see you on the next one. Bye.